Yo, what's up everyone? It's 2025 and AI is straight up leveling up. Remember when ChatGPT dropped and everyone lost their minds? Get ready for round 2 because things just got a whole lot more interesting. We're not just talking about slightly better chatbots here. This is next level stuff. AI that can write and run your entire business for you, compose hit songs in seconds and even code complex applications without breaking a sweat. So if you thought 2023 was wild, buckle up because we're diving into the top 5 AI tools in 2025 that make ChatGPT look like, well, last year's news. Stick around till number 1, it's so powerful it's been banned in 2 countries already. First up, we've got Claude 3.5 from Anthropic. Now if ChatGPT was all about that quick chat, Claude's here for the deep dive. We're talking about an AI that can process over 100,000 tokens at once. To put that into perspective, that's like feeding it an entire textbook and having it spit back a detailed analysis before you can say Bard. But it's not just about the quantity of information Claude can handle, it's the quality. This thing is built on a foundation of constitutional AI, which basically means it's been trained to be harmless, helpful, and honest, so you're getting accurate, unbiased information without the AI going off on some weird, unrelated tangent. And the best part, it's incredibly user-friendly. Remember those times you tried to get ChatGPT to summarize a complex research paper, and it just gave you a bunch of generic bullet points? Claude actually understands the nuances of language and context. I'm talking about uploading a 300-page technical report, asking for a summary, and getting back a full-blown PowerPoint presentation, complete with key insights and actionable takeaways. All in a matter of minutes. ChatGPT? Yeah, it's probably still buffering that upload. Next up, we're talking about Devin AI, and this one is going to blow the minds of anyone who's ever written a line of code. Forget those AI-powered code completion tools. Devin is the real deal, a full-fledged AI software engineer. Created by the geniuses over at Cognition Labs, Devin doesn't just help you code, it codes for you. And I'm not talking about simple scripts either. This thing can build entire software applications from scratch. Think about it. You give Devin a project brief, like build me a crypto trading bot, and it gets to work. It scours GitHub for relevant code, picks the optimal tech stack, writes the entire application, debugs it, and even deploys it to a platform like Replit or GitHub. And get this, Devin is so good, it can actually pass technical interviews for junior developer roles. Yeah, you heard that right. So if you're a developer, you're not just competing with other humans for jobs anymore. You're competing with an AI that can crank out code 24/7 without needing a coffee break. This is a game changer, people. The future of software development is here, and it's wearing a digital hard hat. Chapter 3. Alright, let's switch gears from coding to something a little more melodic. At number 3 we've got Suno AI V3, and this one is music to my ears. Literally. Suno is an AI-powered music generator that's about to make every aspiring musician's dreams come true. Forget spending hours learning instruments or messing around with complicated software. With Suno, all you need is an idea and a text prompt. Want a soulful R&B track in the style of Erykah Badu? Type it in. How about a high-energy EDM banger that would make Martin Garrix jealous? Suno's got you covered. This AI can generate fully produced songs complete with vocals, lyrics, melodies, harmonies, the works, in a matter of seconds. And I'm not talking about those robotic, generic-sounding AI tunes either. Suno has been trained on a massive dataset of music from every genre imaginable, and it understands the nuances of rhythm, melody, and emotion. I'm talking about typing in a prompt like a heartbreak pop song in the style of The Weeknd, and getting back a track that could literally be a chart topper. This isn't just text-to-speech, people, this is text-to-hit record. Chapter 4. Moving on to number 2, we're stepping into the realm of what I like to call ambient intelligence with the Rabbit R1. Now you've all heard of LLMs, or large language models, right? Well, the Rabbit R1 takes things a step further with what's known as a LAM, a large action model. What does that mean? It means that unlike other AI assistants that can only give you information, the Rabbit R1 can actually take actions in the real world. Think of it like this. Siri or Alexa are like interns who can fetch you information from the internet. The Rabbit R1 is like having a personal assistant who can not only fetch information but also act on it. This little device seamlessly integrates with all your favorite apps and services, Spotify, Uber, Gmail, Notion, you name it. And I'm not just talking about basic commands like play some music or send an email. The Rabbit R1 understands context and can execute complex multi-step tasks. Imagine telling your R1, hey, book me a flight to Tokyo for next week, find a hotel near Shibuya Crossing, and remind me to pack my noise-canceling headphones. The R1 doesn't just acknowledge your request, it goes ahead and makes it happen. It's like having a hyper-efficient, always-on personal assistant who never complains about being overworked. Chapter 5. And now, for the moment you've all been waiting for, the #1 AI tool that's so incredibly powerful, it's already causing controversy around the world. Agentic AI ecosystems. This isn't just one tool, it's a whole new way of thinking about AI. Imagine a world where you don't just have one AI assistant but a whole team of specialized AI agents working together, 24/7 to achieve your goals. That's the power of agentic AI. Think of it like this. You've got AutoGPT, the master planner, outlining the strategy and breaking down big goals into manageable tasks. Then you've got Open Interpreter, the execution powerhouse, interacting with your operating system, accessing files, running programs, and basically getting things done in the real world. And to keep everything running smoothly, you've got Crew AI, the project manager, coordinating tasks, assigning roles, and making sure all the AI agents are working together harmoniously. The possibilities here are literally endless. Want to launch a new business? Give your AI team the goal, and they'll handle everything from market research and product development to marketing and customer service. Need to write a book? Your AI team can help you research, outline, write, edit, and even find a publisher. This is the future of work, people. While you're sleeping, your AI team is busy building your empire. It's exciting, it's terrifying, and it's happening right now. So there you have it, the top 5 AI tools in 2025 that are absolutely crushing it. If ChatGPT blew your mind back in 2023, these tools are on a whole other level. We're not just talking about AI that can chat with you, we're talking about AI that can build for you, create for you, and even think for you. If this video got you as hyped about the future as I am, make sure you smash that like button and let me know in the comments which one of these AI tools blew your mind the most. And don't forget to subscribe because we're just scratching the surface of what AI can do. The future is here, and it's smarter than ever. Peace.